Hello, and welcome back to Fun Science Demos. My name is Naomi, and today I have a measuring cup with some colored water, canola oil, and an empty mason jar as part of our fun size scab hunt series. Today, I'll be asking you a question, and you can reply with your answer in the comments below this video. Now, you may wonder, what am I going to do with this water? Well, I'm going to take this, and if you take a look at the lines here, it's about half a cup or around 100 milliliters. And I'm going to pour this right into my mason jar. Last week, Jared talked to us a little bit about density. Do you remember? If you haven't seen that video, you can click on the card in the corner to take a look. Now to keep things even, I'm going to pour around 100 milliliters or half a cup of this canola oil into my measuring cup. There we go. And you can see that my canola oil is pretty yellow, but my water is blue. When I pour these two together, will I get a green liquid? Let's find out. Okay, we've poured them together. Do you see that? That doesn't look green to me. That almost looks like the oil and the water won't mix. How could that be? If you think you know the answer, post it in the comments below. Science is so cool. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fun Science Demos, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to get an alert every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching!